Welcome back, students. This is the session 9 from the playlist of wave optics. The topic is Doppler effect, and today we will be discussing about this Doppler effect in brief. So, the first point here is the definition of the Doppler effect, and the definition is that Doppler effect is the increase or decrease in the frequency of sound or light waves as the source and the observer move towards or away from each other. So this is the basic definition, and I hope that every one of you must be knowing about this definition. Now the most important thing here is the Doppler effect formula. So the Doppler effect formula is given by f dash is equal to in bracket v plus minus v naught divided by v plus minus vs into f, where f dash is the observed frequency, f is the actual frequency, v is the velocity of the this sound wave, v naught is the velocity of the observer, and vs is the velocity of the source. So I will be using this formula in order to derive the formula in a couple of situations where the observer is at rest or this source is at rest. So let us consider one example when the observer is at rest. When the observer is at rest. Now, so here what I will be doing is, here I will be taking the case when the observer is at rest and the source is moving towards the observer. So when the observer is at rest, then the observed frequency will be given by this v naught. V naught is the velocity of the observer, so this will be equal to 0. So I will be getting the value of this observed frequency as v divided by, now here the source is moving towards the observer. So when the source is moving towards the observer and the observer is at rest, then the equation of the observed frequency will be given as v divided by v plus vs multiplied by the actual frequency. And if the source is moving away from the observer, so in that case this velocity of the source will be taken as negative, and this equation will get converted as f dash will be equal to v divided by v minus vs into f. So this is the equation when the observer is at rest and the source is moving away from the this observer, and if the observer is at rest and the source is moving towards the observer, then this equation will be equal to v divided by v plus vs multiplied by the actual frequency. Now let us take another case. When the source is source is stationary. So when the source is stationary, so there can be two options. The first option is that the observer is moving towards the source, or the observer can move away from the source. So when the observer is moving towards the source, so in that case the observed frequency will be equal to, so when the source is stationary, then vs will be equal to 0. So what I will be getting is this observed frequency will be equal to v plus v naught divided by v multiplied by the actual frequency. And if the observer is moving away, from the source, then in that case the observed frequency will be given by V. Here the observer is moving away from the source, then its this velocity will be taken as negative. So this will be equal to V minus V naught divided by V into F. So this is the observed frequency when the observer is moving away from the source and the source is stationary, and this is the observed frequency when the observer is moving towards the source and the source is stationary. Here the most important thing here is that when the observer is moving towards the source, then the velocity is taken as positive, and when the observer is moving away from the source and the source is stationary, then the velocity is taken as negative. Okay? So this is these are the four situations in which we can calculate the observed frequency, and there are many more options which can be you can find many other options also in which the source and the observer are moving towards each other, or the source and the observers are moving away from each other. So in that case also you can find the observed frequency. So in the next session, that is in the session number 10, I will be coming up with a question which will be based on this topic, that is Doppler effect. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.